So, keep on watching. Morning!
So after 5 hours of us, 5 hours! We're here! How is it? Very maalog. Hindi naman, hindi lang.
Nandito rin ako.
So it's day 1 here in Baler.
And unfortunately,
And it's already almost 11. I still haven't done anything.
no, we've done something.
Yeah, we went to the beach this morning. And then, we went to, ano yung tawag doon? Goto place.
Lugaw place.
Lugaw place. To eat breakfast. And then, we came back here sa house ni Camille.
To do some actions.
No. We took a bath and then we went to sleep. Took a nap.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did before you. And then we're supposed to go out to interview some municipal officials for our group project. But we still haven't eaten lunch yet, so we're doing that first. And then, after the interview,
We plan on going on a city tour.
city tour to where? The church, the museum, and then tomorrow, what are we gonna do tomorrow?
We're gonna do some trekking and falls sightseeing.
We're going to the Digwisit Falls, the Mother Falls, the Anyao Islet, and then to the lighthouses, and then the Hanging Bridge. That's for day 2.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, we'll finish all what we need to do today so that we can have fun tomorrow.
True.
It's already 12 noon. We still haven't done anything. The roommates are still napping. Don't know if I should wake them up. My pimple is its own person. Some being still won't die. Die, you stupid pimple. We're now at the municipal building sa Baler. Wala. Currently, no tao. Walang tao. So we can't talk to anyone. Ay! May human resource. Yes, the chorus for I can stand on mountains.
Your bass hindi pa perfect. Hindi. Hindi lang.
Show me Lady of the house. Miss Aurora Quezon. Miss pala. Parang nakapunta na ako dito. Joke lang, dito pwede pang 50. 2 times. Ano napuntahan ko? Ah, yung bahay ni Rizal. Kasi naalala ko yung table setting.
May palayo.
Alam niyo yung kay ano, yung sa bahay ni Marco? Yung may mga wax figures. Sa isang bahay niya. Ang creepy, grabe. Feeling ko gagalaw. Dito ka dudungan kapag may manliligaw ka.
May mga harana sa'yo.
Oh,
Baba.
harana. I'm wishing. Ba't wala akong manliligaw? Forever alone. Another window for my mga manliligaw, which is non-existent. Romeo! Romeo! Ha? Ha? Romeo! Yung sa ano kasi, sa strong woman daw bungsun, sa Korean. Di wala silang R. So yung babae doon sabi niya, Romeo! Romeo! Otoke! Ikaw lang eh.
Si Aurora.
Plancha!
Yan yung dating ng ano. Yan, ganyan yung mga dating plancha. Lalagyan mo ng uling sa loob.
Uling ba? Or papatong mo sa uling?
Lalagyan mo ng uling sa loob.
Ah, paano kapag puti tapos may kumalat ng uling?
Buhay pa niya pati na.
Sewing machine. So where are we?
Donya.
Donya.
Doña Aurora's house. But we're done here now, so we're going to the museo.
Yes. Exactly.
Let's go to the museo. Museo. I just finished looking at the artwork at the second floor of the Museo de Baler. We've got some pretty cool artworks here. And then it's too crowded downstairs, so and it's so hot. There's no aircon. I'll be staying in front of this electric fan. So hot. Get that shot, guys. Yay, we're out of the museum. And we found sa pond. So, we're taking more pictures. Buwisa talaga to. Agaw-ekse na talaga tong pimple kong lechon to eh. And it's dirty. The pond is dirty. And then we saw this nice doorway, but it's full of vandalism. Sad. Actually, it's pretty also. Picture lang. Ay! May bird cage! With no birds in it. Nagpa-float yung C2.
Sino bang hinayupak na nagtapon ng dito dyan?
Where's the halo-halo? Looking for halo-halo. Halo-halo. Ay, gusto ko ng white halo. Sobrang hagod ko na. Ay, na! I want halo-halo. But not from Shopee.
Ayoko na ng halo-halo. Ayoko na halo. Gusto ko na yung puting halo-halo. Nang shopping siya na.
Creamy white. Halo-halo! May ice cream at check. May halo-halo po? Do they have halo-halo? May halo-halo po. How much po? 70. Malaki ba yun? Halo-halo. There's no sago, there's no saging, there's no nata. there's just kaong, mais, and pastillas. And ice. Lots and lots of ice. And it's 70 pesos. I'm not satisfied. So now we're going to buy palabo. I'm craving for palabo.